Japan's hot spring culture, with its rich history and unique customs, is highly regarded internationally. Japan, being a volcanically active country, has a plethora of hot springs scattered throughout its regions. These springs have been used since ancient times for health and relaxation. The allure of hot springs is not just in their warmth, but in the therapeutic effects of their mineral content. Many hot springs are believed to have various health benefits, including relief from fatigue, treatment of skin diseases, and improvement of circulatory disorders. Additionally, outdoor baths, or rotenburo, allow visitors to enjoy the beautiful natural scenery of Japan while experiencing the seasonal changes. Hot spring resorts are abundant and offer accommodations centered around the hot springs, where guests can experience the unique hospitality of Japan. In these inns, known as ryokan, one can relax in traditional Japanese-style rooms and savor seasonal dishes made with local ingredients. Japan's hot spring culture offers a unique experience that goes beyond mere bathing, providing healing and relaxation for both mind and body, loved by people around the world for its fusion of nature, health, and Japanese tradition.